Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Teachable for online learning step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Teachable website. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started. Fill in your email address and create a password. After signing up, log into your account. Once you're inside, click on Create a new course. Enter your course title and a subtitle that captures the essence of your course. Choose a category that best fits your course content. Next, click on Create Course. Now, you will see the course dashboard. Start by selecting Curriculum from the sidebar. To add a new section, click on Add Section. Enter a name for the section. Once you've created a section, click Add Content to add lectures or other materials. You can add lectures in various formats, such as video, text, or quizzes. If you want to upload a video, click on Video and follow the prompts to upload your file. For text, click on Text and enter your written content. To create a quiz, select Quiz and add your questions. After adding all your content, move on to the Settings tab. Here, you can set your course pricing and availability. Decide if your course will be free or paid. If paid, enter the price you wish to charge. Next, navigate to the Design tab to customize your course appearance. Choose a theme that aligns with your branding. Preview your course to ensure everything looks just right. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your course live. You can now share the course link across your platforms. Monitor student progress and feedback through the dashboard. Regularly update your content to keep your course relevant. Engage with your students through comments and discussions. With these steps, you are ready to leverage Teachable for effective online learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.